Do you find it easy to keep in contact with friends and family?
Yes, of course. So, by contacting with family and friends, we can communicate with others. And I think by communication, the distance between me and my family or my friends can be decreased.
Do you emulate anyone for your
Yes,
progress?
yes, of course. I emulate our Swarup for becoming a good speaker.
What do you use the internet for?
A lot of things, for example, I am studying in mechanical engineering, so a lot of resources are available in online. It's basically for online, basically for study.
Do you think it's better for children to grow up in the city or in the countryside?
If the children have this dream of studying abroad or studying for his dreams, I think cities are the best for education and medical treatments and each and everything. City can have that. Well, if you think about uh, having the facilities, cities are the best. However, in the villages or the countrysides, you can't get any kind of good treatment or good appearance of educational system. So I think cities are good for a child to grow on.
That's the end of your speaking test. Thank you.